In next 5 minutes, you are going to learn how you can create an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant that will solve the queries of your customers or leads 24/7 in the business. So this is how your WhatsApp AI assistant is going to work. A customer will send a question just like this, and within few seconds of the question being forwarded from the customer side, an amazing AI assistant is going to reply and solve the question just like this. This is the kind of reply that the AI assistant is going to give to all the queries that it will receive from your customer's side. So what are you waiting for? Wait till next 5 minutes, learn how to create this AI assistant yourself and resolve all the queries in your business without hiring a support team. So without wasting any time, let me show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant without need of any technical coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Chatflow. So let's move on with this video. So to create the assistant, I use Pabbly Chatflow. Open a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow. You will come to their landing page. If you're logging in for the first time, you will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, you can create this assistant right away, absolutely for free, and test it out from your own end without paying any cost. Okay, I've already created Pabbly Chatflow's account and I am their one-time plan purchaser. I have purchased their one-time plan because I need to purchase this Pabbly Chatflow plans once and get the access of their unlimited features forever. If you're planning to do so, planning to purchase their yearly or one-time deals, use the code on the left side of the screen to get amazing discounts on the purchase on top of the existing discounts, and you will get the highest discounts using the code. Go ahead and use it right away. Okay, I've already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account and created my account setup. If you want to learn how you can set up the account and what are the other features, check out the description section below. You will find all the video links. Create your own setup and come back to this video. Now to create an AI assistant, you will see the section of AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, and now I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing AI assistant as well for your business. Now you will go towards this AI assistant section and click on this add AI assistant button. Name the assistant and a dashboard just like this is going to appear in front of you. Complete the 4 sections of AI assistant and you will have your own WhatsApp AI assistant for your business. It's very easy to create. Now first under AI assistant comes AI instructions, in which first select the instruction type according to your requirement. I want it as AI agent, so I've selected that. Then according to the type, the instructions are automatically going to appear. If you want to add in, eliminate or edit some of the points, you can definitely do that over here according to your business requirements. Next is AI configuration, under which first you have to enter the temperature. Temperature is a range from 0 to 1. 0 being very focused replies from AI assistant to customers or leads, and 1 being creative. I want both creative and focused replies, that's why I've selected the temperature as 0.5. Next we have to use AI to use. For that currently you have the option of OpenAI only, so select OpenAI. Select the AI model that you have according to your requirement, and then you have to enter the API key of your OpenAI account. Very important point that I want to tell you right now is that you should have a paid account with OpenAI to create this AI assistant, or else the assistant won't reply to the queries. Go to the hyperlink directly added below. Over here you will come to the API key section of OpenAI account, generate the key and paste that key right over here and connect your OpenAI to Pabbly Chatflow. Now scroll down, next is AI assistant settings. If you want header footer to the messages, top keywords to be added to the AI assistant as well as retry attempt, toggle the button on and enter the details according to your requirement. Last is fallback message. This message can be edited right here, and this specific message is only going to be forwarded only in one case, when the API key is not responding correctly. Okay, now the first setup of AI instructions is completed. Next is knowledge source. Now knowledge source is the source with the help of which you're training your AI assistant. You're telling the assistant about your business, because in order to reply to the queries, AI can reply anything accordingly, but you need to tell this assistant, no, according to my business you have to resolve the queries. So you have to create a documentation of your business just like this, explaining the business overview, product information, policies, services, everything in this one single document, and then uploading that document into your AI assistant that you're creating using Pabbly Chatflow. Upload the doc from here. You will see the knowledge sources, the documents knowledge base you have right here in this knowledge sources section. Okay, so now this is my knowledge source that is going to help. If you want to learn how you can create the best knowledge source possible, check out the video link added in the description section below. I've taught you that as well. Next is assistant interface. The best part about Pabbly Chatflow is you can create this AI assistant and add it on your website so that directly from the website people can go to the WhatsApp support. So now if you are planning to do so, assistant interface and styling is a section for that. If you want your business name to be highlighted on the board just like this, you want to edit this line, you want to edit the initial message, you want to enable disabled powered by Pabbly or add in a footer link, you can definitely do that from all this section right here. Last is user's first message. Now if your user is sending the message directly towards this AI assistant, what is the usual message you receive? You have to enter it in this user first message section. Next is styling. If you have your own brand, you might have your own brand colors that signifies your brand. So if you want to add this assistant on your website, it should match the theme of your website. If you want to change the color, shape, background, anything, you can do it from the styling section. I don't want that, so I'll simply skip the part. AI assistant is created, guys. This is how simple it is to create the assistant. Toggle the button on, save the assistant from here, and your AI assistant is going to be activated. Now, if you want to test out the assistant on the assistant number, ask another query. So let me ask one. Can I cancel my order after placing it? It's a very basic question, and you will see how automatically this assistant is going to quickly respond towards my question. And this is not going to look an AI generated reply. No one is replying manually. The assistant we created right now is replying to the query. Yes, you can cancel the order after placing, but it has not been shipped yet. So you can see I've received the reply. This is how assistant is going to resolve the queries. If you want to add this assistant on website, go to embedded, you will find the script, copy this code from here, paste it on your website code. Now if you want to enable this assistant to all the chats, to all the people who are sending your queries, go to settings and inbox settings section. In inbox settings, you have to scroll down till the end and you will find the option of AI auto reply. Enable this button on and select the contact list to whom you want to automatically enable this assistant to, and select the assistant from the drop down and save this rule from here. To all contacts, this assistant will be automatically assigned. Not just that, if you want to assign this assistant to a particular chat, go to inbox, select that particular chat that you have to select this choose assistant option, toggle this button on and select the assistant from drop down, and you will see automatically towards the chat the assistant has been assigned. Okay, so now this is how you create the assistant in 5 minutes using Pabbly Chatflow. For any business you have, you can create the support bot for your WhatsApp right away. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.